Good day. You're about to watch a video about Miles Beckler. Now, I've been following Miles Beckler for a couple of years. I think he's one of the few online marketers that actually has common sense and integrity. I also have integrity and common sense. I want you to click this banner ad, go to my webinar, and you'll experience something different that you'll not find in any other webinar. My webinar is short, sweet, succinct, to the point. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to educate you. So what you'll experience with my webinar when you click the link and register is about 25 to 30 minutes of informative step-by-step information of how I and my students earn online by working smart. Now, there's a little bit of a catch, because after my 30-minute webinar, you'll have the opportunity to get more free in-depth training and for $1, get a 45-day trial to any turnkey niche website. Now, it's not where you pay $1 today, and if you don't cancel, you get charged money. No, it's literally $1. Then it's up to you, because I appreciate your integrity. I trust the fact that you'll make your own decision. You sign up for $1, and this is after you watch my 30-minute video today, live webinar today. Then you'll have the opportunity to get more free training, again, no strings attached. And for $1, you'll get a 45-day trial and an opportunity to earn online the right way. Now, in addition to that, which is pretty cool, you'll also have the opportunity in a 45-day period that if somebody comes to your website and they buy my turnkey system, you're going to earn 20%. That's a great deal all the way around. So click the banner ad, check out my live webinar that's happening, and I will help you every step of the way. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. I've been teaching marketable online software here in New York City since 1987. I'm sincerely here to help you, but I assure you nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. So watch Miles Beckler. He knows what he's talking about. I like him very much. He has integrity. He doesn't do the snake oil, get rich quick. He takes things methodically, one step at a time, the same way I do. Check out my webinar today, and it will be the best 30 minutes that you spent of 2020. Talk to you soon. Stay home, stay safe, stay positive. And remember, nothing happens when you choose to do nothing. Carpe Diem 2020.